application. See, in this environment, the color is something little bit blue color. Okay. And we want to change this one. This is the default home page. Okay, this is the default home page. Okay, as per the client requirement, if you want to change this default home page to Ask Oracle one. So this is a default home page, and we want to change this particular page to Ask Oracle as per the client requirement. Okay, so what we have to do is go to navigations, go to configuration, go to sandboxes. Okay, click on create sandbox. So just I'm saying future proof software corporation. Okay, if I want to publish the sandbox, you have to select this as yes. If you don't want to publish the sandbox, just you are doing kind of a practice purpose, you can select it as a no. Okay, I want to publish the sandbox. Future. So in this, what I have to select? So if you see the description, you can understand. Change the look and feel of the application. So this is the one I want to use because I want to change the look and feel of the application. Select this appearance. Okay. And now click on create and enter. Now click on create and enter. It will take some time. So if you see this yellow color on top of the application, what it mean actually to me? If you see the yellow color on top of the application means what? It is in the sandbox mode. Okay, if you see yellow color on top of the application means what? It is in the sandbox mode. You need to remember this one. This is very much important. Okay, if you see this one means it is in the sandbox mode. Somebody has enabled sandbox to do some kind of configurations or setups and all. You can do so many things like this. You can do application compose, appearances, structure, and then manage service mappings, configure business objects. Okay, HM Experience Design Studio, user interface text, data security, lookups, messages, flex fields, page integration, page composer, page template composer. So you can do lot of things with the sandbox. So in order to explain sandbox itself, it will take minimum 20 to 30 hours. It's completely technical subject. So technical consultant, what is the main, who will take care of all the sandbox customizations? The technical consultant. What is the main duty of technical consultant is he has to do the sandbox customization. So is sandbox customization is only limited for HCM or it is common for across Fusion?
It's common across the Fusion, sir.
Okay, very good. It is common across the Fusion. So what is meant by FA here?
Fusion application.
So sandbox customization is common across the Fusion applications. It is nothing to do with human capital management. It is nothing to do with financials. It is common for all the applications inside the Fusion. Okay. This sandbox customization is common for across all the Fusion applications. So who is the main person who will take care of all the sandbox customization? Technical consultant. So, but as a functional consultant, if we know the basics of sandbox customization, we can do little bit here and there, some cosmetic changes. But if you have to do the end-to-end sandbox customization using what we call auto completion rules or writing different rules at HM Experience Design Studio, changing the user interface text, and all these things, page composer, all these things will be done by a technical consultant, which we cannot learn, which we cannot do at this point of time. It will take so much effort and time to learn the subject itself. Okay, but what we can do is, as we have started OTBA, same thing we will start Sandbox also. I'll give some basics and all. So every week on week, I'll add some more knowledge for you. So if I dump all at a time also, it will be very complex for you to digest the knowledge. Okay, so every week on week, I'll explain one or two, okay, based upon the based upon the subject depth and all. Okay, technical subject you have to learn very slow. You have to practice a lot. Technical subject, it's like a little bit, you need to know, understand the logic and all. Okay, so every week I'll deliver one or two. Same thing for OTBA, same thing for Sandbox customization, same thing for HM Experience Design Studio. So even the HM Experience Design Studio comes under Sandbox, but this is a separate subject. Okay, and same thing for fast formula, same thing for BA reporting and all. Okay, every week I'll take 3 classes and I'll repeat that one. Okay, let us take this week I'll take Sandbox customization this week on Friday and Saturday, and again Monday I'll start with some other module, but I'll repeat. Once you are having some basic exposure, I'll go to the intermediate topic. Once you're having a basic exposure to intermediate topics, I'll go to the advanced topics. So at a time, if I dump all the knowledge also, you cannot grasp that one. Okay, so now what is the Sandbox we have created? Future Proof Software Corporation is the name of the Sandbox. Okay, now click on this Future Proof Sandbox Customization. Sandbox Corporation. Future Proof Software Corporation. This is the name of the sandbox. What it is saying, this sandbox is not synchronized with the mainline environment. Okay, before publishing any sandbox, if you see this kind of message, or if you see this kind of warning, this sandbox is not synchronized with the mainline environment. You can refresh the sandbox before making any further changes. Just click on refresh button. Okay, you should not see any kind of warning messages. Okay, first of all, you should not see any kind of warning messages. Now what you have to do, again enter the sandbox. Okay, what is the difference means, earlier somebody has done some public somebody has published something and we have entered the sandbox and we have not refreshed their changes. So that is the reason it is throwing that kind of one. Okay, and so FPSC is the name of the sandbox. Okay, sandbox details, publish and leave sandbox. If you want to publish the changes, click on publish. If you go to sandbox details, so it will show like this. These are the sandbox details. As of now, we have not done anything. We have not done any changes in the sandbox. So now I want to see the tools that are available in the sandbox. So what are the tools we have selected in the sandbox? Only one tool, that is appearance. Okay, only one tool I have selected, that is appearance. Click on appearance. Okay, so now that appearance theme has started. Okay, this is the appearance theme. Now I want to create my own theme. So it looks like this. Okay, the appearance theme looks like this. Okay, now I want to create my own theme, or I can apply this theme or any other theme that are available by default. Okay, you can apply either of this thing, or you can create your own theme. So right now, what is the theme that is applied? Supreme Fitness Redwood. Okay, what is the theme that was applied?
Supreme Fitness Redwood.
So that is the reason it is showing in the blue color. Okay.
Yes.
Now I want to apply the default one.
Vision default.
Okay. Now I want to apply the vision default or the default one. What I have to select here? Select here. Okay. Apply. Or just before that, just view. Click on view. Okay. It will looks like this. Okay. Here, home page. So what I want to show the home page is whether I have to show the news feed or whether I have to show the Ask Oracle. You can select either of this one. So news feed means what? Generally what we see by default is a news feed. Okay. Generally every day what we see is called as a news feed. Suppose I want to change it to Ask Oracle. You can select it, Ask Oracle. It will show like this. The home page is not a news feed. So what are the two home pages that are available in Oracle? One is news feed and another one is Ask Oracle. Okay. I'm selecting Ask Oracle. Okay. And now if you want to change the logo, we can go and change it to logo. Okay. What is the logo it is displaying here? Oracle. If you want to change the logo, you can go and display that logo. Okay. So now I'm changing the logo. So I'm giving my company logo. Okay, I'm giving my company logo. So what it is showing here? It is showing future-proof trainings, right?
Logo. Yes.
Is it showing or not?
Yes, it is showing.
Okay. And favorite icons. So if you want to change the favorite icons, you can change, but anyhow, it's not required. Now click on, okay, click on save. If you want to change the same theme, okay, future proof software, okay, future proof software corporation, and click on apply this theme and click on create. Okay, this is the theme I have created, future proof software corporation, and it was applied. Okay, and now what I have to do? I have applied this theme, and what I have to do right now? I have to publish the sandbox. So before publishing the sandbox, I want to see the sandbox details. Okay, go to sandbox details. So these are the sandbox details, that are the changes that happened. Okay, you have changed the skin. You have changed the skin. And these are the details. We don't have control over here, but when you change any kind of theme and all, it will show all these details. And who has done these changes? Future proof. Okay, future proof. Now I want to review that one. I want to preview that one. Okay, I want to see the preview, how it look like. Okay, now just we will go and directly publish that one. So I'm publishing the sandbox. Okay, I published the sandbox. Now I log out and log in again. So how the application is looking like? How the application is looking like right now? What is this theme?
Ask Oracle.
This is Ask Oracle. Okay. Okay. If somebody asks you how to configure Ask Oracle, what is your answer? You have to create a sandbox and select the look and feel option and change the theme. Okay. And now from Ask Oracle, I'm able to change this logo also, right? Earlier, what is the logo? It is used to display here. Oracle logo used to display, right?
Yes.
But right now, what is this logo?
Future proof logo.
Future proof logo means I have given my own logo to Oracle. Okay, I have given my own logo to this particular applications. Okay, now, so my client groups. My client groups, search for the new person. Couldn't find anything. So here direct new person tab is there. Now click on new person. When you click on new person and click on hire an employee, so automatically you will go to hire an employee page. You want to go back. Go to home page. Suppose you want to go for any kind of me and my pay slips or existing time cards. Okay, it will go directly to the Redwood my existing time cards page. So me, let us take, I want to see skills and qualifications page. My skills and qualifications page. So why this page is not loading? Anybody can tell me?
We have logged in as implementation consultant.
Very good. You have logged in with implementation consultant. With implementation consultant, it won't display any kind of skills and qualifications. This page will be displayed only with the employee roles only. Okay. And now I want to go to security console. Where the security console will be there?
In the tools option.
Go to tools. Search for security console here. Security console administration. Okay, go to users, and now I want to search for Curtis.Fitty. I want to change the password, and I want to see skills and qualifications. So now I'm logging with the HR specialist role, and now we will see the skills and qualifications pages coming properly or not. So this is what Ask Oracle page. Okay, for Ask Oracle page will look like this. Okay, and that all the task newsfeed will come here like this. Okay, and all the notifications will come like this. So where I have to go for skills and qualifications? My skills and qualifications. So my skills and qualifications page. Go to my skills and qualifications page. See here the person ID is showing, right? Person ID is showing, right? If person ID is showing means what? Definitely it will throw the page. It will give the values. So but earlier there is no person ID for the future proof, because future proof is not an employee. Future proof is what? Future proof is an application implementation consultant user. But Curtis Fitty is what? Curtis Fitty is an employee. That's the reason this skills and qualifications page is displaying for the particular employee in the Redwood. Not only in Redwood, for anything, you just remember for the implementation consultants who are not employees, the skills and qualifications page will not display. Okay. So here the person ID is displaying means what? The person ID means what? Employee. Employee ID, not exactly employee ID. Person ID is the ID generated by the Oracle, which is 16-digit number. Okay, not 16, it's a 15-digit number. Okay, it's a 15-digit number. If person ID means what? He is either employee or contingent worker or non-worker or anything. Okay, so this is skills and qualifications page from Ask Oracle UI. Okay, we can go to anywhere. You can go like this. Okay, go to here. Now what we will do? We will come back to we will log out as Curtis Fitty, and we will log in as I have logged in as future proof. Okay, now it is showing as Redwood page. So now I want to remove this Ask Oracle, and I have to come back as normal newsfeed homepage. So what is the steps I have to do? Go to configuration, go to sandboxes. Okay, so already I have published this sandbox, future proofs and software corporation. Okay, now I want to create a new sandbox. Revert. I want to revert this one. Now click on create and enter. Okay, revert Ask Oracle. Go to this sandbox. Now go to appearances. Okay, now what I have to do here, Pranati? I want to revert it back to normal one. Which one I have to select?
Suprema Fitness Redwood, sir. This is previous.
No, I want to change it to default one.
We have to click on
You have to click on
apply.
Default one apply.
Default.
You have to select the default. So this is the default one. And now I want to see how it looks like. Click on view.
Okay.
The default will look like this. Okay. And how the home page will look like? It will look like this one. And what is that default view? Whether it is Ask Oracle or newsfeed.
Newsfeed
only. Okay. And logo. Predefined logo. Oracle is coming right here.
Yes.
So I have removed the future proof. So I am selecting the default one. What is the default one? It will display Oracle. Okay. And then the home page. So whether I want to display it in Ask Oracle or newsfeed, I want to display in the newsfeed mode only. Okay, now change back to normal newsfeed mode. Okay, and colors. Suppose I want to use normal Redwood, or I want to use a red color, or I want to use this any other color. You can select the particular color, but I want to use the default Redwood. Okay, the default Redwood color I have selected. I click on save, or directly I can click on apply. If you click on save as, you can customize that one. Now, if you want to apply, okay, if you want to apply, select basic Redwood theme. Okay, the basic Redwood theme is there. Now, click on publish button. Okay, now publish. Okay, now click on just log out and log in to reflect all the changes properly. Okay, so is it coming back to normal newsfeed mode or not? It came back to normal newsfeed mode or not, Pranati?
Yes. Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
it came back to normal
Now,
navigator mode. Okay, normal navigator mode, and going back to configurations and sandboxes. Okay, so now we are able to create one particular sandbox and we are able to publish the sandbox. First one, we have created a sandbox and we have changed the sandbox to Ask Oracle
Ask.
mode. Okay, and we have verified the my skills and qualifications page. Now what I'll do, I'll go back to same thing, navigator. Okay, I log out with future proof and login is Curtis Fitty. Okay, Curtis.Fitty. I am logging with the particular employee. Now what I want to check here, after doing this sandbox customization reversion, I want to see whether the skills and qualifications page is coming properly or not. Okay, me, career and performance. You can go from navigator or you can go from springboard. So me, career and performance. Skills and qualification. So here it is showing the person ID, right? Person ID is same. Okay, the person ID is same. So now we are able to see the page right again. But the way we have gone from Redwood Ask Oracle to normal navigator is different, little bit different. The look and feel is different, right?
Yes.
So are we able to convert a normal application to a completely Ask Oracle type of application, right? Everybody understood how to convert that one. Which one you feel better? Whether the newsfeed is looking good or Ask Oracle is looking good.
yes, it's
No sweets.
But if client says that I want to display in Ask Oracle, what do you have to do?
yes.
Yes. So maximum people they are using newsfeed, but if client want to say that okay, I want to upgrade from normal newsfeed to what you call this Ask Oracle, you should know how to convert that one as well. Otherwise, if you say that I don't know, means what? People will think that you don't know this sandbox customization part. Okay. So everybody clear? So anyone is having doubt in this particular session?
No, sir.